So in this video, I'm going to go over these non-slip kind of, I guess, soccer or basically athletic socks. Let me just show you everything I got with mine here. So this is a 6-pack, and there are black and white ones here and just solid white ones here. Let me show you how good the quality is on these things. I'll do turns, especially trail running, and my foot slips inside my shoe. So what I was looking at, I was looking for a pair of socks with some grip on them to possibly help with that. And check out what these things do. So these are 80% cotton, 15% polyester, and 5% spandex. Has a very soft kind of feel to them. You can see the inside right there. All of these are stitched in. All of the grip is here on the bottom because what it is, it's made for when you're going forward, your foot don't slide. I put these on. They felt really good. My foot, they feel really good on the foot. They have some elastic on the top that holds them in place. They go in the shoe nicely. They have a great feel to them. This is good for anyone that's just looking for a good pair of like socks for soccer, football, basketball, or basic any type of outdoor athletic sport in general. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, the 6-pack, non-slip socks. See y'all in the next video.